Hey guys, welcome to the How to PC channel. Today we're gonna talk about Ifoto AI. So this is one of the best AI clothes changer, and this is how this website looks like. So on the left side you can see a lot of tabs, a lot of features, but unfortunately almost all of them available only for Pro. And as you can see at the top right, you can click on Update to Pro, and there are free plans, yearly, monthly and weekly, for 16 euros, for 20 euros and for 120 euros. You can of course buy a plan if you want to use this AI, but today we're gonna take a look at the free features of this site. So as you can see, there are only three tabs that we can use: color change, remove background and clean up. So let's try to upload a photo. So to upload a photo, you can just drag and drop it right here. And by using this feature, you can easily change the color. So just select the necessary item, and now you can select the necessary color. For example, green. Let's try to select this one, and this is how the result looks like. So I think the result is pretty good. You can try to use it if you want. And now let's move on to the second free feature, remove background. So here you can easily select your object and remove background. Let's try to do it. Here you need to select the necessary option. You can make it transparent, just remove background. You can make your background light blue or gold or white. Let's try to select transparent, and here's the result. And the last tab, clean up. Let's click on it. So let's upload a new photo, just drag and drop it, and now we can try to clean up this image. And for example, let's try to remove this object. Just select it and click on the remover button right here on the left side. So, and to be honest, the function works poorly, not correct, and there are other good services for this function. And they also put their watermark. Okay, and to be honest, I don't advise you to use this feature here, but other two features, good ones. So it was a short review about this AI service. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and put a like under this video, and of course leave your comments and I'll try to answer them. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.